you want to get some free tools and strategies to save you time and make you more money? We started investing in real estate in 2003. So we came up with the 7 fastest way to make cash in real estate. So that's one of the tools. You get to learn in a speeded way how you can make money fast. We have protected over 2,093 members with our legal services. So you want to make sure you're protected, you don't lose everything, because you want to make sure you have your attorney at your side to make sure you're safe. So those are some of those tools and strategies that we have. Visit us at ladiesofjusticeleague.com. So ladiesofjusticeleague.com, you can find out some of those free tools and strategies to just sign up. And we're doing a raffle. We have this book by a well-known author, and they're all for real estate wholesale Bible, so everybody's interested in wholesale. Here, what is it? Okay, here it is. Winner is Tom Monson. Oh, Tom. T-O-M-M-O-N-S-O-N. Here, Tom. Wow, he's not even here. Okay. Go again.
Raymond Espinoza.
Really? All those people? All right, here, quickly. Yeah, that's what we're figure out in coaching it. It's a great speaker lady. How about Dan? CUI. No Dan? Why are there all those people leaving? Sorry. It's never happened where so many people fill out that they won't quit. How about Jose Ibarra?